Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how you can use ChatGPT on Telegram. Make sure you have Telegram downloaded on either your iOS, Android device, or your computer or Linux device. Type ChatGPT. Now, because this site is under maintenance now, you're not going to see it on this. But you're going to be looking for ChatGPT AI portal. Any of these are wrong. This one is just latest updates and news about ChatGPT. These are just either group chats or anything else. When you find the ChatGPT AI portal, you're going to press one of these. This is a ChatGPT bot. For the correct one, it should be ChatGPT ERC underscore bot. These ones are fake because it's requesting you to join. Once you've pressed the ChatGPT ERC bot, you're going to press /start and you can type anything that you want to the ChatGPT by using Telegram. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.